So this is the cheapest Ford Maverick Tri cover. That's a hard cover on the market. This is the same one that's on Amazon and eBay. I personally went with this because I thought it was a good deal for what you get. This is what comes with the box. So it actually does come with directions, which is cool. I heard the install takes about 10 minutes. We'll see how long it takes me. You are going to get your seal, and this is the light for the cover. It's a little picture. I heard the light's not very good. And these are the pads you're going to stick around the top. And I'm sure you guys can see more of this, but this is my Maverick. I just got it in a few days ago. I actually got it in 2 days ago, but I've been sick, so I haven't done any footage or anything. I already started doing mods. I'll make another video on the mods. But today we're going to be installing this Tri-Fold cover. It's a Tonneau brand. This is a no-name brand. So I'm going to go take out the box, and we'll see how long it takes to install and give you guys my review of it. So remember, for the sealing strip they give you, you got to cut it. The one that gives you too long. Make sure you're going to do it all the way to the edge here and all the way to the other edge. Don't just do it to your glass. So this is pretty easy. Just cut it and then put the top on. Alright, for the people asking about how to clip this Tri-Fold down, you have two of these clip styles and one of the screw down styles. You obviously are going to start with this one first, then you attach this one from up top, clip it down. The best way to show you is actually have it open, and if you look here, you want to have it kind of overlapping here on the top, and then you want to open it and make sure obviously your clip's going to fit under it. Sorry, I'm recording with one hand. And then you want to go snap it in without breaking the plastic. There's metal here, and this is plastic, so you want to make sure it's good connection. Like, that's actually probably not tight enough, so it's not tight enough. Bring it back out, do like one full turn, measure it, bring it back in, open it, go under until you feel you've adjusted it. See? Nice and solid. It's on the metal. The main thing is you're clipping it to the metal. Give it a nice, feel that? That's my full power. It's not going anywhere. It's great. Alright, here it is, fully installed. The cheapest eBay Tri-Fold cover. It actually came out pretty good. It does require a little bit of work. I want to point out, it actually kind of looked really bad. I had to use the Meguiar's plastic restore on a brand new product, which is interesting because it was in kind of bad shape. Like, if you look at these corners, it has, like, see that? I don't know if I need to blowtorch it, but some of the plastic was just not the best. You can kind of see when you're getting a little cheaper. See, like, that little bit of leftover glue here. And then the same thing, too, on the corners have, like, a little bit of, like, almost plastic fade, which is fine. I mean, I can always blowtorch it and keep it, you know, fine for the plastics. Or I don't understand for a new product. You can see I gotta wipe the rest of this off, but I did the whole thing back to black. It actually works pretty well. I have the thing currently unhooked. See, everything's attached. This is their little free light you get. It's just a little stupid sticky light. It's junk. You know, it's whatever. But it works really well, and like I said, when the bed locks, this will be locked too, and I'll let you guys know in the leak test. I haven't leak tested it yet, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. Like, this is just kind of like, I don't know if this is, like I said, you get what you pay for. You know, you're not paying $800, $900, $1,000 for the Ford one. You get what you pay for. I found only one major defect, which was this guy right here. I'm just going to probably just put a black marker or contact the seller. I mean, there's really not much I can do about this. Probably got damage in shipping. But beside that, I'm pretty happy with the Tri-Fold. It's going to do exactly what I want it to do. It's very sturdy. I haven't stood on it yet because of my garage, but it seems very sturdy. I'm going to take it for a few road tests to see how it does. But it looks pretty dang good. And it fits pretty nice too. There's no huge gaps. As you can see, lines up really nice. So for the money, I think it was a good deal. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. But for the money, you know, you get what you get.